Hello, my name is Ditya Patra. Today we are going to make a non-Newtonian fluid named Oobleck. A non-Newtonian fluid, also known as viscoelastic fluid, has a viscosity that changes depending on the amount of shear applied. These are the examples: ketchup, paint, and toothpaste. And Oobleck. Oobleck is made of cornstarch and some water. So first, to make Oobleck, we need a box. Pour some cornstarch. Pour some cornstarch here in. That's it. About this much. Kind of spread it out. Have some water. Pour some water in and start mixing. And if it's not really mixable, put some more cornstarch. Or it won't be so much as Oobleck if you don't put so much. We need as much of cornstarch as you can. We need a lot, and then we'll put some more water and start mixing. Once it kind of if you can't really mix it, start using your hands, and it will get messy. So make sure you're doing it close to a sink or around. Make sure you do it close to a sink or on a mat or paper towel, or it will get the table messy if you don't do it, anything like that. So try to spread it out. Slowly put your hand in and quickly tug it out. Slowly put it in, quickly tug it out. It will feel like solid, but if you put it in and pull it out, it will kind of feel like liquid. If you're holding it, it will act like a solid, and when you drop it, it will act like liquid. See, I'm grabbing some from the ground. It's acting like liquid as I drop it. I grab some and start molding it in my hands, and it's acting as solid. And if you want it to be more colorful, you can add some food coloring. First, you need to make sure your hands are normal. And then wipe your hands with a paper towel, and then grab some food coloring if you want it to look nice and colorful. I'm going to you can use 1 or 2 colors if you want it to look nice and colorful. I'm going to take a bit of blue, and then we'll start mixing it. It doesn't really work with a spoon, so instead of using spoon, use your hands. Mix it well. If you feel around the edges, it will kind of feel solid, but through the middle, it will kind of be liquidy. So try this. Spread it out very neatly. I may have already said this, but if you try this, do it slowly out and fast. And also your hands will kind of get dirty. So make sure you have a bunch of paper towels to clean your hands when you're done. So you can do this. If you want to get a bunch, try getting some from the edges it will work. And then start like pouring from one hand to the other, and then use the other hand to kind of pick it up, and then it will kind of be solid. If you want lot, try going all the way to the edge and just grab it up like, and then your hands will get sticky, but if you get it to the edge and try to pick some up, you might feel some hardness if you do it. And if you want to make it feel more comfortable, you can add some more color or different colors if you want it to look colorful. For now, I'll just do blue. Start. If you want more hardness, put some more cornstarch. The more cornstarch, the more hardness. And put a little more water if it gets a lot of cornstarch, and a little more food coloring to make all of the cornstarch change color. That's all. Bye. See you next time.